500 grams of washed and sliced potato. So this evening for dinner we're actually having drumsticks, beans and carrots and potato croquettes. Hello there and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Anita and I'm a Dutch-Kiwi. Well, here I am again about the potato. I'm not quite finished with it yet. Now, while I make these lovely potato croquettes, I will give you some more information about the potato, and I will definitely put the description of some of the things that I do while I'm making it on the screen, so you can read that up or write it up or whatever. But just let me tell you a few little basic facts about the potato, and then towards the end, well, just get to see whether those potato croquettes worked or not. Well, I'll just let you guess. What do you reckon? Okay, so potato croquettes and the value of a potato, because you know, they're better for you than you think. More facts about the potato. I was pretty ignorant about the benefits of the humble potato, to be honest. I'd been conditioned to think that potatoes were fat food, so don't eat too much of them. But in fact, that is the same with everything. Don't eat too much of anything. It can all be fat food. In fact, you can even drink too much water. Did you know that? You just check out and see how much water is healthy for you. Right, back to the potato. They're gluten-free. They are plant-based. Oh, and here's a fun fact. If you have a pet pig, don't feed it potato skins. They are toxic. Also, don't give them uncooked potatoes because they have the same effect as the skins. If you are going to get rid of some of your cold old potatoes, make sure they're cooked. Back to the humans. Potatoes are, or they were anyway, affordable and staple food source. Potatoes are cholesterol free, sodium free, and then the silly thing is we add salt while cooking them. And calorie wise, 110 calories per 150 grams approximately, or 5.3 ounces. The humble potato is a good source of vitamins, minerals and fibre. You can never have too much fibre. Cherish the potato. He's your friend. Okay, enough of that. Let's cook. Or chives, or tiny little bits of onion, or garlic powder, or just garlic. But whatever flavour you fancy. These are just going to be plain ones. Now I've got the mixture already here, all set to go. I'm just going to divide them into spoonful lots on this glass tray, and then they'll be egged and breadcrumbed. So it's a bit messy. I'll show you part of it. I won't bore you with the whole lot, but you'll get the general idea. Okay, let's get cracking. Right, I'm just going to put spoonful lots on this tray here. Now it's a bit sticky. I don't want to make them huge. I'm only going to make them about little finger length. I have to put a little bit of flour on my hands just to make it easier. Oh, there we go. Oh, just let them set a wee bit. I'll do that with the bowl full. So there you have them. I'm just going to pop this tray in the fridge for now. I just want to firm them up a little bit before I put them through the egg wash. Trust me, I forgot to turn the camera on before. So I have these balls that I made and put in the fridge, rolled them, put them in the egg wash. This is just the egg white, and I've whisked it slightly just so that it gels well. Then roll it on the plate with the fine breadcrumbs. Roll it round and round, and then form your croquette. Now you can either do it on the plate by rolling like this, or you can do it in your hands, whatever's easiest. So I haven't got many more to go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I've done 9 already and 6 to go. So you'll see me again when I'm finished. Here they are with their first coating. So again, 10 minutes or so in the fridge, and then for the second coating. And like I promised, here they go. Doubly dipped and ready for the fridge. And after that, ready for the fryer. And here goes. Looking good. Looking good. And I'll just pop it over on the training paper. Well, it's been a busy day, and I finally got the chores done that I wanted done. Now, the most important thing, most of you who watch my videos know when I've made something, it's all about the taste. So I'm just, oh, very nice. Just going through the crunchy outside. I was going to show you. There it is. And it really is very crunchy. I don't even know if you can hear that, but here I go. It is crunchy. Delicious. Now, I've not made this before, so I'm pretty happy about the result. And the coating, that little crunchy jacket, spot on. I know it's a messy job, somebody's got to do it, but I'll tell you what, this is really nice. Maybe if you make a big pile of them and have them in the freezer. I'm just gonna have another bite. You can have them with anything. Mustard, ketchup. You can have them for lunch, or as a side on the plate with your vegetables. Really delicious. You can add stuff to the potato filling too, but oh, even just potato, they are super yum. So another way to prepare your potatoes for dinner with a crunch. And I'd like to give you a good tip. Now, I use breadcrumbs for all sorts of things, and I don't buy them. I actually make them from leftover bits of bread, and they could be brown bread, or it could be white, or it could be buns or sandwiches or whatever. I just put it in the oven and let it dry. So this is my breadcrumb sauce. Thank you if you're a subscriber for supporting my channel, and if you're not and you want to see more of these sorts of videos, either cooking or travelling, because I'm going back to France, then I'd love you to subscribe and join the crowd. So thanks for watching again, and I wish you all a really wonderful day. So don't forget, like, share, comment, and definitely come back for more. Bye for now.